everyone, this is Kathleen. Welcome to Be Again Books. I'm glad to be here today to further decorate our two eclectic journals. I have a cute idea for a new pocket pattern, and it's, I think, going to become one of my favorites because I'm calling it a hidden journaling pocket tag. And it just uses a couple of things. I'm excited that this is another pocket idea that uses these strips. So this is my template. So it's just a little tag here and a fold up pocket, but the top folds down and makes this hidden journaling space. So it looks like a tag, and this slides in the pocket to kind of keep that closed, and you don't really notice that it has a fold up flip. So yeah, it's easy, right? You can see how easy it is. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to make it for, you can see I'm making progress decorating these. We're going to make it for this page in this journal and this page in this journal. And it's a floating pocket, by the way, so we need a couple of clips, you know, to pin them in. But yeah, so let me just move these over. So all you have to do is fold up, and this is a directional page print, so I have to make sure that when this top folds down that the direction is going the right way, and then that folds up and all of the words are the right way. On the back it's going to be upside down, but that I'm not too concerned about. So it's just 12 inches long, and you're going to want to fold up about 2 inches. You can do it, this is about 2.5 inches, so you can do it however you want, but start with 2 inches and then it folds up, and you just have to glue that down easily. Okay, and then once you have that glued down, then you don't even need the scoreboard. Then you just take the end and you fold it until it butts up against that, and then you put a crease here. And then you just need, like I said, a piece of ephemera to go in it, like this little photo slides in, and that just holds that down. If you make sure that you have a good crease, then it becomes a little less obvious that it's anything other than a pocket, right? And then to journal, you just open it up and journal there. I like that. Okay, there's one. Okay, let's do, and you can, depending on how it looks to you, you can put more than one thing in the pocket. Okay, we're going to do these two as well. This is a simple project. I'm going to score it at 2 inches. Turn it over. I'm just going to butt that up against that edge and crease it again. You don't have to put the little divot in there. I just think it makes it look cute. So then we'll take our largest punch and punch those corners. It looks like a tag. Let's let that dry for a minute, and I think this is just a funny little piece of ephemera, an opposites card. We'll just put that in there. And then that, see, holds the flap closed. Okay, let's try the yellow one, and then we'll see how it looks in the journal. Is this directional? No, it is not. This is some pretty handmade artisan paper, and it's very, very nice, especially for something like this where there's a little bit of texture. And then we just bring this side over, push it up against that one, and then crease it. And you don't have to, you can round the corners if you'd rather. Let's do that. Let's just round these. May as well make it just a little different. This is just some needlepoint wool, a card, and there's, you know, space here on the back to journal, and that just slides in there, holds that really well. Of course, then you also need a pin to pin it on, because as I mentioned, it's a floating pocket. So I just have 3 little clips. I think it looks a little better with 2. Let's see what else we can find. Horse race analyzer. Interesting. Here's another button card. That might be nice. Yeah, I kind of like that. And here's a button card. That would also be fun. Yeah, cute. Kind of cool. Okay, so we could decorate it too any way we want. So let's put some labels on here and a little bit of washi tape. Let's see. Okay. refreshingly normal. Okay, there we go. Let's see how they look in the journal. It's this one, and I'm using this yellow one because of the yellow in the print. There we go. Yep, that's pretty. And I think I'm going to use this one, the other journal, on this side of the page. And then this is just a journal page. Maybe we'll put some washi tape on there. Okay, I like that. And I like this one. I hope this is going to be a helpful template for you. I'm going to put that back in my pocket pouch, and thank you for being with me, and we will see you again.